Organization, more so a very good and well-functioning organization, needs a very strong team to drive it. And we are fortunate really to have in Toastmasters a group which comes for every 6 months with renewed vigor, with new blood, with new enthusiasm to take this club to the next level. It's a relay race where groups of ECs pass the baton on to others, ensuring that all along we are covering the miles of personal growth. And one such team, I'm proud to say, is going to take charge from today and lead this club for the next 6 months, from the 1st of July to the 31st of December. And this club and this EC is what I'm here to install today. Installation is generally a very solemn affair in Toastmasters. It's a very serious affair because people are made to realize the responsibility. It's almost like the oath taking you saw a couple of weeks back in the West Bengal government. It's almost as serious as that. But our principle in Toastmasters is that you must enjoy what you're doing along with doing it well. And for that reason, I'd like to take this in a little different spirit and take you through the installation process this time. But the first time I heard of the word installation, I was a little worried. I said, who is installed and where is he installed? Because the common perception we all have is that we install software. I have a friend of mine who is into the audiovisual business, and he says, we basically used to install loudspeakers, stages, lights, microphones. So he says, when I heard installation of officers, I actually thought people will be hung up here and there. But then he was relieved to know that it is not the case. In fact, I have a small spin on what we actually mean by installation. What we mean by installation is not that we are going to put people in charge of the club. What we mean is that we are going to recognize people who have installed Toastmasters in their heart. We are going to recognize people who work in a programmed way because they have already imbibed the principles, the values, the leadership, the qualities that Toastmasters instills in them, and so they're in a position to guide the rest of us on how to go forward. And that is leadership. First be, and then lead. And the team that is going to be, and going to lead is the next executive committee of Kolkata Toastmasters Club. And I will be calling up the officers one by one, inviting them to take this responsibility and then installing them in a different way so that they can take charge here onwards and take Kolkata Toastmasters to, we see so many awards here. There are ribbons which I don't see here today, but there's a huge list of ribbons we've already achieved. There are plaques here, there are certificates, there are winners, there are leaders, but still there's so much more to go. And I'm sure this EC will take us over there. So to start this process, I will start with the first officer of the EC. Incidentally, for those of you who are not aware, every executive committee has 7 officers. And in order to make it a little memorable to everyone, I will just explaining their roles as they also come. The first officer whom I'm going to install today is called the Sergeant at Arms. Now, if you remember, all of us have got a hand here. All of us have a hand. If you were to look at your fingers in this hand, you see we have a small finger, which is supposed to go up at the most difficult circumstances, when you need to take excuse from somewhere or something like that. Now, what does this mean? This actually says, this finger symbolizes, I need to use the facilities, right? So similarly, we have one person in the executive committee who is supposed to take charge of not only what you're thinking, but all the facilities of the meeting for Kolkata Toastmasters. And this person, simply signified by this finger, is called the Sergeant at Arms. And the Sergeant at Arms for this term, from July 1st to December 31st, 2011, as elected by all of you, and who will be taking charge from today, that's the 1st of July, is, put your hands together, Toastmaster Romit Agarwal. The gavel is a symbol of leadership that we all have, and therefore I will request all the executive committee members, when they come up here to be installed, to please hold this in their hands. Romit, you have been elected by the club members as the Sergeant at Arms for the current period of 6 months. As Sergeant at Arms, you will be carrying out certain responsibilities. These responsibilities include, outside the meeting, to ensure that the club's assets are kept safely, all the club's supplies are in order, and you also need to ensure that the venue of the club is available timely and set up properly, including the banner, the small banner and the other displays readily available for the meeting. During the meeting, your role is to welcome any guests who may enter the meeting. Your role is to regulate the flow of people so that they enter and exit only during an applause. Your role is also to be able to manage the voting slips and declare and give to the President the list of winners based on the counting of the voting slips. Very briefly, these are your responsibilities. Apart from these, your responsibility is you are the part of the executive committee and you are expected to attend executive committee meetings as and when they are held. Will you, Romit, carry out these responsibilities as Sergeant at Arms for the next 6 months for Kolkata Toastmasters Club? Ladies and gentlemen, I have pleasure in installing Romit Agarwal as the new Sergeant at Arms for Kolkata Toastmasters from July to December. A round of applause. Thank you so much, Romit. The second officer of the executive committee is the treasurer. And the treasurer, if you again take the analogy of the hand, is the thumb. Do you know why? Not because he says I have no money, but because the thumb is so essential that none of the other fingers can do anything without it. Can you pick up this gavel without the thumb? Can you do anything with your other fingers without the thumb? So this thumb is so important, it makes all the other functionaries work and be able to work. And that is perhaps the role of the treasurer, the person who keeps this club alive through funds and finances, finance management. And the treasurer who has been elected by your club for the term July to December 2011, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the treasurer, Toastmaster Santosh Khandelwal. Santoshji, this is the only occasion you will be given something, all the other times you have to extract. Santoshji, your role as treasurer is a very responsible role. Your role outside the meeting is to maintain the accounts of Kolkata Toastmasters Club. It is also your responsibility to remit the fees and other dues from the club and its members on behalf of the club to Toastmasters International. You are also expected to maintain a budget and get approval of the club and executive committee for all expenses that are incurred. In short, you are to manage the entire accounts and finance of the club. During club meetings, it's your duty to announce whenever subscriptions are due. It's your duty to receive subscriptions from any new person who may become a member and remit that to TMI within 48 hours of receiving it from you. You are also responsible in meetings to display the accounts of the club and bring in transparency and have it audited within the members of the club. Keeping all these responsibilities in mind, you also need to coordinate with the meeting membership so that you are able to make all new members who join pay their fees online and become bona fide members of Toastmasters International. Apart from this, you will be part of the executive committee wherein you are expected to attend the club meetings, the executive committee meetings every month. Will you, Santoshji, take on this responsibility as treasurer of KTL for the next 6 months? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I have pleasure in installing Santosh Khandelwal as the treasurer of Kolkata. Can you just please stand aside? Or you can come this side. The third role, ladies and gentlemen, today that we're talking about is that of the secretary. And the secretary is not always the role that we think of as the office of corporate secretary, but it's a very responsible role. In context of the hand again, I would signify the secretary by the ring finger. Do you know why? Because sometimes the ring signifies something. Sometimes, as I think Naveen was mentioning, you start thinking of something and then you look at your ring and you remind you, oh, I'm married. So the memorizing, the person who actually keeps the record, the person who keeps the memory of the club, the records, the papers, the documentation, everything, is the secretary of the club. And the secretary of the club today, unfortunately, is not present right here, but let me announce the person who has been installed, who has been elected, and I've already confirmed with her she has agreed to take on this responsibility, so we will install her in absentia. Ladies and gentlemen, the secretary of Kolkata Toastmasters Club from July to December 2011, as elected by you, is Toastmaster Tulika Pagrai. Can you have a round of applause for her? Already confirmed that she will be taking on the responsibilities, and therefore we consider her already installed as secretary to take over these duties in the future. The next role is that of the vice presidents. We have 3 vice presidents in the club, and the first vice president is the vice president public relations. Now, why do we call him vice president public relations? Because he's supposed to be standing out. So which figure is he representing? So we can consider the person who stands out from the entire group, the person whom the whole world sees when nobody else can see, the person who makes this club aware, who makes these people aware about this club, is the Vice President Public Relations. As Vice President Public Relations that has been voted by you and elected by you for this term, and I'll invite him right now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the elected Vice President Public Relations, Toastmaster Shambhunath Jajodia. He's also, I think, caught up in some meeting, but I believe the nominating committee officer has already confirmed with him for the election, and therefore we shall consider him as well installed. The next officer, the next Vice President, is Vice President Membership. And this again is a very important role. The Vice President membership I would denote by the index finger. And that's because I believe that he defines the direction the club is taking. The direction of the club is not merely met by the speeches given here and the evaluations given, but by the environment, the membership spirit that is there, the camaraderie that is there, the friendship that is there. And it is this person's job to make sure that the spirit of Toastmasters, spirit of camaraderie is there. So for that reason, he is directing, he is pointing out the direction that this club is going to take. And ladies and gentlemen, the person whom you elected as Vice President membership, they are requested to come on stage now for the installation. Put your hands together for Toastmaster Subhendu Mazumdar. Toastmaster Subhendu, you are taking on the responsibility of Vice President membership. Your role is of two aspects. One is to ensure that the members who are in Kolkata Toastmasters continue to remain and enjoy their experience here. And the second is to invite other members, other guests whom you think would benefit from this experience and make them members of the club so that they can benefit from this. Your role hence outside the club would consist of inviting other non-Toastmasters to attend club meetings. Once they are here, it's your responsibility to make sure that you have a guest register in which they write down their details. It's your responsibility also to follow up, offer them and inform them about changes that are happening in the club and invite them to attend any club meetings in the future. Apart from that, your role is to keep the current members in an enjoyable state of experience. For this, various events can be held, various innovative ways can be thought of in terms of making these members bond together and remain together as a strong club. You are also responsible for receiving all new member applications and coordinating with the treasurer for remitting the dues to GMI and uploading their details as well over there. As weekly membership, you will also be part of the area council, and so it's your responsibility also to attend the area council meetings along with the executive committee meetings which are usually held once a month. Will you, Toastmaster Subhendu, carry out these duties fully for PTM?
Yes, I will.
Congratulations, Subhendu. I have pleasure in installing you as the Vice President And finally, the top two positions